and today we're going to be doing a video about Lego Legend Beasts from Chima. The first one we have is the Wolf Legend Beast. It's worth $71 on Amazon, and the minifigure is Warris. It is ages 7 and up with 111 pieces, set 20127. The next one is the Lego Lion Legend Beast. It costs $66 on Amazon. Its minifigure is Laval. It has 119 pieces, and its set is 70123. The second one is the Eagle Legend Beast. It's $32 on Amazon. The minifigure is Eris, 105 pieces, and its set is 70124. Number 4 is the Gorilla Legend Beasts. It's $29 on Amazon. The minifigure is Gorzon. It's 107 pieces. Last but not least, it's set 20125. Last but not least is the Lego Crocodile Legend Beast. It costs $63 on Amazon. The minifigure is Cragger, 122 pieces, and set 70126. Hope you like it and click down below